In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Swedish Bites in Ikea. If you've been craving those quick Swedish snacks and small plates Ikea is known for, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find the Swedish Bites menu on the Ikea website. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your local Ikea site. Make sure you're on the correct country or region version so that prices, availability, and language match your location. If you see a country selector or a store picker at the top or bottom of the page, choose the one nearest to you for the most accurate results. Once the home page loads, look up at the top navigation bar. On a desktop, you'll see a clear row of categories along the header. On a phone or tablet, this same navigation might be tucked behind a small menu icon. Tap or click that to reveal the full list. Give the page a second to finish loading. Sometimes images and categories appear in stages as the site fetches content. Next, click or tap on products. This section collects everything IKEA sells and organizes it into simple categories. Entering here puts you a single step away from the food listings and the shorter Swedish Bites menu. Inside the products area, look for the IKEA food category. Depending on your region, it may appear as food, Swedish food, or something similar, but it will be grouped with kitchen and dining related items. Select that category and then choose Swedish Bites. That link takes you directly to the specific collection of smaller, ready-to-eat or quick-serve items inspired by Swedish flavors. You should now be on the Swedish Bites menu page. Here you can scroll through the available items, see photos, read short descriptions, and check current pricing. Some regions display dietary or allergy labels, serving suggestions, or notes about whether an item is served in the bistro or available to take home from the Swedish food market. If you spot filters or sorting options, use them to refine by popularity or price, and switch store locations if you need to confirm availability somewhere else nearby. That's all there is to it. Go to your local IKEA website, open the top menu, choose products, select IKEA food, and then click Swedish Bites to view the menu. If anything looks off, double check your selected country and store. Allow the site to load fully and make sure cookies are enabled so images and categories display correctly. Enjoy browsing and have fun planning your next stop for a quick Swedish Bite.